What's up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach, and today I'm going to show you how to get some socks from DSW for just $1. Shout out to one cute coupon. I recently subscribed to her channel, and she just posted this deal, so I just did it. I've never shopped at DSW a day in my life, but this part was so freaking funny to me because it's $1 off any sock. I did the first one just fine, but the second time I tried, I could not for the life of me think of how to spell socks. So it's $10 off of your purchase if you pick up curbside only. So you got to order online and pick up curbside. The code is BOP, BOP is IS party, PARTY, and it's on their website. It's a legit code. Now, instead of putting socks, I kept putting stocks, and I'm like, what the heck is wrong with me? Like, why isn't socks popping up? I had no idea that I was spelling stocks instead of socks. So I kept trying over and over again. You see the code, BOP is party. It also got free Clark trunk organizer, get 10 off Crocs. You know, got a lot of little deals up in that thing. So I try again, stocks, STOCKS. I'm thinking I'm putting socks and it's still not coming up. I'm like, I know I just ordered some socks. It is seriously something wrong with this website. Like, why isn't the socks popping up? Do I got the store right? Like, what's going on? So I go to my bag. Wasn't nothing in my bag. I was trying to go to my order history, and as you can see, this is a pair of socks I already ordered. This 6 pair of multicolored socks for $1, and that's better than Dollar Tree because Dollar Tree only get 3 pair of socks for $1. So I would say that this is a good deal. I end up going to my bag, finding my previous order, and I grabbed the socks that way. But when I do that, it showed that I had to wait to get it shipped to store in 7 to 10 business days. So I was like, no. I got to figure out how to get it to say socks. And I still couldn't figure it out. Like, I could not for the life of me figure out how to spell socks. Has that ever happened to you? Have you ever not realized how to spell nothing? So I end up doing my little voice thing, the little voice mic, and I had said socks, and it typed in fox. Then I said it again, and it typed in something else. I'm like, oh my God. So finally, I just get off of here about to give up, and then I call Daddy, and I'm like, babe, how you spell socks? And he spelled it SOCKS. Yeah, for those of you who can't spell socks. Anywho, I finally pull up the page. I sorted by the lowest to the highest just to see if there's anything cheaper that I could get that I like. And they do have some stuff for $9 and some change, but you got to spend, I think, at least $10. Plus, the stuff that I like is out of stock. Like, I'm going to different pages, and for my location, it's out of stock. It seemed like the only socks that were in stock is this rainbow little kind that I already grabbed. Like, those, you got to ship them to the store. You ain't going to get $10 off. So, make sure you select the socks that are in stock. So, yeah, I end up just going to get the socks I already got. Again, I bought them 3 times. I didn't go too crazy because I really don't wear tennis shoes or socks. All of these things not in stock. You got to ship them to the store. If you ship them to the store, you're not going to get your $10 off. So, boom, finally just suck it up. Get the same little pair again. Say pick up in the store within 4 hours. I add it to my bag. After I add it to my bag, I end up putting in the code, which once again is BOP, BOP is IS party, PARTY. It applied. After that, it made my total $1.08 because in Florida we have a 8.5% sales tax on every dollar we spend. We have sales tax. So if you don't got no sales tax where you at, you should be all good to go. I end up cutting out the part where I entered my card information, but we end up getting to our congratulations part. That's my order number. Yeah, out you could steal anything, with that number. So you can have it. I don't mind. And then boom, I show you like that I've ordered 2 so far out of this account, but I end up getting 3 total. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit her like you like. Hey, hit her like you like. Hit her like you like for your girl, and grab you some free socks or dollar socks from DSW. You can use that coupon for other stuff as well. However, I don't like spending money, and they high. Okay, so get some socks. Like to the 4, 1 like 2 like 3 like 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the IKEY, babe. hit her like he like and send that love my way. L to the IK, EY, babe. Hit her like he like and send that love my way. Like, let's go. Like, follow. Hit her hit her like he like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like, rock with a like. To the left, to the right, go. Like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. I like. Hit her like it like. Hit her like. For your girl, take it back to the like. From the left to the right, go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right, go like. Africa go like. Worldwide go like. I hope y'all like this sound. Yeah, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.